Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever it is you're celebrating and whoever with, I hope you're having a great time. So I'm going to be spending some time with my family, so I'm going to be taking a little bit of a step back from YouTube just for the holiday season really. But this channel is actually approaching a year that I've been posting on the Fusion, and I basically want to give you guys a big thank you for all the continued support throughout the year. It's been really great, really fun. So before I go, I'm going to be doing my top 5 lists in 3 videos, one today, one tomorrow, and one on Friday, which is actually Christmas Eve. I will be getting some input from some of my Fusion friends, and today's topic is going to be my top 5 inexpensive Fusion mods. So say you have a Fusion that you just got, or you had one for a while, you want to do stuff to it, you don't want to break the bank, you want to make it look a little bit more modern, a little more your own. I got you right here. Now this is going to be for all Fusions, so whatever year Fusion you have will be applicable, and this isn't going to be just stuff that I have on mine. I'm going to try to keep it on just things that you can actually do, things that some of my friends have done that have a really nice impact. And I do know that inexpensive is a relative term, but I'm going to try to keep everything under $100. The first up on the list is a 3-piece splitter. Now the 3-piece splitter is basically going to be a really inexpensive way to actually give your car a more aggressive and stylish look to the front end. The install is also super easy, and I still have my old one right here. And basically the way that you actually do it is there's holes in the splitter itself, as you can kind of see right there, and you just follow that hole, drill a screw into the bumper, and that's basically it. It's very approachable, very easy. I'll link the video over here in case you want to get a little refresher on how to install it if you are looking for one. The average price is $70 to $90. I'm doing this off the top of my head, so quote me if I'm wrong. I'm going to have links for everything in the description box down below per usual. But that is one that I definitely think has a really nice impact to the front end of your car. There's more expensive options, of course, but the 3-piece splitter is a nice inexpensive way to kind of get the feel of having a splitter on your car without breaking the bank, and it looks really cool on top of that. Next up, we have a blackout grill, and I think I have my old one somewhere around here actually. Here it is. It's super dirty. There's actually a lot more styles out there now, and I do like the full I guess like diagonal honeycomb. I don't really know what you would call it. Again, links are gonna be in the description box down below. But this is probably the best way to just kind of give your Fusion that really nice custom look, because really inexpensive. This one costs $110. However, there's a lot more sellers for them now, so I've seen them as low as $55. And the main thing is because stock, there's so much chrome in the grill. Having it blacked out, it just really helps the body lines flow, doesn't look as commercial, and it allows for more modifying as a whole. So you want to get a snorkel or maybe some grill lights. You won't really be able to do that with a stock grill, but a blacked out grill, you would be able to do that really easily. Here's a few that I like, and one of the best things, they're direct bolt-on replacements, so it's super easy to mess with. Next up, we have custom hood decals. They're actually decals for the entire car. I just only have the hood decals. Now, the thing that I will say is there's actually a lot out there. There's a few sellers that I specifically like, and they actually do give you a good broad range of options. So I have the double spears, and basically I try to give it that more angular cowl look. But I do know that they have the double stripes. They have one big kind of blackened out piece that actually stretches to the Ford emblem, but there are some that are actually brought out a little further, some that make this line a little more noticeable. There's actually some side body stripes that actually look really cool. So there's definitely a lot out there, and they really give your car that custom factor. My buddy Sebastian has some from Pro Motor Stripes and Vinyl Status, I believe. They really just make a car look overall your own, because you don't really see too many Fusions with decals other than a roof wrap, and these definitely give your car that unique look and actually help you highlight whatever area it is you want them to highlight. Now, where would we be without some footwell lights to make our drive not so dark? Now, these are going to be universal, and you can do this for any car. In this car, I have the Govee kit, which is only about $30, I believe, and it even comes with a little module that I hid right here. So if I just want to turn them off, I can just press the button, turn them back on, and they connect automatically. It's really easy to use. It's honestly something I would recommend for every car, and if you're actually doing the full blackout interior like I did, you'd probably need them, because it'll be very dark in here at night. So that's number 4 on my list. Also, there's no actual order to like any of these, like one's better than the other. It's more just like the way that they came to my head. Now lastly, we have custom emblems for 20 bucks, believe it or not. But it's not necessarily something you just buy off the shelf. It is something you do yourself. But buying the paints only costs about $20. It's really inexpensive, and more than anything, it gives your car that really custom look, because more than anything, if you see any Ford out there, you're going to see it with the blue emblems with the chrome lettering. This actually gives you the opportunity to make it your own, make it look more custom, and basically give people that little bit of attention to detail feeling on your car. So I really do like it, and I do have a video up here in the top right corner if you want to check out how to do it. Very inexpensive. You can do it in a single day. Well, basically, you want to let the paint dry. The only thing you're actually accounting for is letting the paint dry, but taking the emblem off, disassembling it, and all that good stuff only takes realistically about maybe 2 hours. That's in the removal, the prep work, painting everything. But once you actually let everything dry, you can reinstall it in a matter of like 3 minutes. It's really not that bad. It's really easy to do. I do need to redo the front. I have the rear done. I have it in this matte gray for the background, and then this gloss black for the lettering, but the front I will admit I need to do. So let me know if you guys want a video on this one specifically. I basically already showed you guys how to do it, but I wouldn't mind readdressing it again just to kind of have a more up-to-date video on it and show you guys how it actually lasts. Because this one, I will admit, I did not prep because I actually did this ages and ages ago before I actually knew what I was doing. So I need to redo this one. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on that. So that is it, guys, my top 5 inexpensive mods for your Fusion. Make sure to come back tomorrow for tomorrow's top 5. Gonna be doing this until Friday, which is Christmas Eve, so basically we're gonna have 3 videos before I go. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great holiday season, whatever it is you're celebrating, whoever with. Hope you have a great time, and I will see you in the next one.